Okay everyone, so in this tutorial we're gonna learn how to create random numbers in JavaScript. Alright, I have my JavaScript file linked to my index.html file. If you don't know how to do this, I have a video for that in the description below. Alright, so in script.js I have a console.log so we can see the random numbers right here in the inspector. So you can see we have random numbers right here. Alright, so we're just gonna go and create the variable. I'm just gonna go and type let random numbers equal math dot random, open and close parentheses. And now we're gonna go to the console so we can display the random number. Like so. Now we can see that we get a random number between 0 and 1. So we got 0.07. If I update, we get a new random number between 0 and 1. We want to create a random number between 1 and 10. So to do this, I'm just gonna go after math.random, open close parentheses, and I'm gonna add multiplication and 10. Now we can see that we get 8.6. If I update, we got 7.8. But I want to have whole numbers. I want to have from 1 to 10, which are whole numbers, not 7.8. To do that, we're gonna go before math.random. We're gonna add math.floor, open parentheses, and after the number we're gonna add close parentheses. Alright, so now we can see that we get a whole number, we get 5, we get 1, 8, and so on. But right now we get from 0 to 9 instead of 1 to 10. So you can see we get 0. To fix this, we're gonna add, after the closing parentheses, we're gonna add plus 1. Finish off with semicolon. Like so. So now if you try this out, we get 10 and we will not get 0. Alright? Okay everyone, so if this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe and also check out my other videos. You can also join my Discord server, you find the link in the description. We are all about programming. Have an awesome day, take care and bye.